Hi, welcome to the Luxor Product Studio. Today, we're looking at Vitalize laptop carts, lightweight mobile workstations built to keep your workspace moving with you. Designed for patient rounds and documentation, they give care teams a flexible place to work without being tied to a desk. Here, we have the Vitalize with storage, which helps keep essentials organized and within reach. The height-adjustable pneumatic lift allows users to quickly find their most comfortable working positions. Smooth rolling swivel casters make it easy to move through patient rooms, hallways, and tight spaces. And once you're ready to work, locking casters keep the cart steady. Below the work surface, we have built-in storage compartments so supplies and accessories are easily accessible. Purpose-built for healthcare settings. It's easy to clean with minimal seams for daily wipe-downs. If you're looking for a simpler setup, the Vitalize standard model offers the same mobile height-adjustable design without built-in storage. And with simple assembly, both models are designed to get you up and running quickly. Vitalize, helping care teams stay mobile, organized, and ready for the next task. Explore our healthcare collection to find the right fit for your space today.